Ma, now it's 4 statements, 4 conclusions, ma. Nothing difference is there, no difference at all. Only thing, extra one more statement, that's it. Other than that one, no need to panic. So as usual, whatever the method we approached for 3 statements, 4 conclusions, same approach we are following. That is, first and foremost rule, properly align the statements, and now from conclusions, take the relevant statements and solve the problems. Same as it is which we did in 3 statements and 4 conclusions. Can you try it out? So I will just read it out. Some bags are trunks, all trunks are shirts, some shirts are books, all books are shops. Conclusions: some shops are bags, some books are bags, some shops are shirts, some shirts are bags. Answers: give answer as 1 if only 1 and 2 follow, 2 only 1 and 3 follow, 3 only 3 and 4 follow, 4 only 2 and 4 follow, 5th one none of this. Just give a try, we will discuss each one by one. But did you get the answer? You should have got third option, ma, only 3 and 4 follow. You should have got 3 and 4 follow. See that it's already been properly aligned, right? So no need to take extra care, it's already been properly aligned. Directly going ahead with the conclusions. First one, some shops are bags. Where is shops and where is bags? Shops are in the 4th statement and bags in the 1st statement. All these 4 we need to add it, merge it. What is I plus A, ma? I plus A, I plus I, no conclusion, that's it. Again plus A, no need to even move forward. Are you getting, ma? So shops and bags, I plus A is I plus I again gives no conclusion, no need to move forward. Ruled out, first one. Next one, some books are bags. Where is books and where is bags? Bags, 1st statement, books, 3rd statement, right? So I plus A is I plus I gives no conclusion, again ruled out. So second one won't follow. Third conclusion, some shops are shirts. Where is shops and where is shirts? Shops here, shirts here. 3 and plus 4. What is I plus A? I means some shirts are shops or some shops are shirts. Yes, third one directly follows from 3 and 4 statements. The last one, some shirts are bags. Where is shirts and where is bags? 1 and 2 statements. What is I plus A? I means some bags are shirts or some shirts are bags. Yes, 4th one also follows. Finally, we need to check for complementary pair, but we need to avoid 3 and 4 because already we got it as true. But both are positive statements, no need to check for complementary pair. Which follows? 3 and 4 follows. By looking at the conclusion itself, we can come to the conclusion there won't be any complementary pairs. Why? Because all are positive statements, right? So based on that also you can conclude, no issues. So here which one follows means only 3 and 4 follow. Ma, clear? Shall we go ahead with the next question? I will see the second one. Note down first, all pens are chairs, all flowers are chairs, all chairs are trucks, all trees are trucks. Conclusions: some trucks are pens, some trucks are chairs, some trees are pens, some trees are chairs. Answer: give answer as 1, only 1 and 3 follow, 2 only 1 and 2 follow, 3 only 3 and 4 follow, 4th one only 2 and 4 follow, 5th one none of this. A slightly typical one, but you can easily solve it. Try it out because we have discussed many of such problems and all previously. Try it out, we will discuss each one by one later. Ma, did you get the answer, ma? You should have got second one, only 1 and 2 follow. If you see that one, many diagrams I have mentioned, right? So it looks like a total confusing. Nothing as such. Only thing is, both A statements common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. That is the reason first 2 A statement I just mentioned in a separate box. And the next 2 A statements again common term as predicate I mentioned in a separate box. Now you need to be careful where means if you see that first 2 A statements, what is the common term in predicate, ma? Chairs, right? So if you take the 3rd statement, subject is chairs. Now if you consider 2 and 3, so you will be getting all flowers are trucks. If you consider 1 and 3, you will be getting all pens are trucks. Now anything related to pens and trucks being given, so don't say that 1 plus 2 plus 3, sir, A plus A gives no conclusion because it is a common term as predicate. That is the reason it won't follow like that. We should never tell that one. Why? Because pens and trucks, here you can consider only 1 and 3 instead of 1 plus 2 plus 3. So predicate of the first statement, subject of the third statement, right? Only 1 and 3. Anything else, if it is been given like flowers and trucks related statement, flowers and trucks means we need to consider only 2 and 3. Are you getting? No need to match 1 plus 2 plus 3 and all here. Whenever both A statements common term as predicate is being given, see the subject where it is, and relating to pens and trucks means we need to consider only 1 and 3. Relating to flowers and trucks means we need to consider only 2 and 3. Are you clear? That is how we are going to solve the problem. See that first one, some trucks are pens. Where is trucks and where is pens means, if you see that one, trucks is here and the pens is here. Again, we need to consider, as I told you, only 1 and 3, right? If you take only 1 and 3, all pens are chairs, all chairs are trucks. What will be getting, all pens are trucks. All pens are trucks can be converted into some pens are trucks or some trucks are pens. Whether it is there, yes, some trucks are pens. So go ahead with this one. Go ahead with this one. So that is 1 plus 3 statements. That's why I have mentioned like this. Are you clear? Next one, some trucks are chairs. Where is trucks and where is chairs? Directly from the third statement. Directly from the third statement. So A can be converted into I. A is implied by I statement. So all chairs are trucks can be converted as some trucks are chairs. So second conclusion follows directly from third statement. Come to the next one, some trees are pens. Where is trees and where is pens, Trees here, pens here. 1 plus 3 plus 4. Like that we can consider. So 1 plus 3 plus 4. What is this 1 plus 3, All pens are trucks. All pens are trucks, all trees are trucks. You won't be getting any conclusion because both A statements common term as predicate. You will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. Are you clear? See that 1 plus 3, what you will be getting? All pens are trucks. All pens are trucks, all trees are trucks. You won't be getting any conclusion. That is the reason this one is ruled out. This one is ruled out. Next one, some trees are chairs. Where is trees and chairs? 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, again you won't be getting any conclusion because both A statements common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion. So 1 and 2 follows. Is there any need to check for complementary pair? No, because both are positive statements. So only 1 and 2 follow. Go ahead with the second option. Are you clear? So these type of problems are being given. No need to panic. It's very easy. Only thing, normally 1 plus 2 plus 3 or 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like that we check. But here both A statements common term as predicate. No need to convert, make proper alignment. Keep it as it is. And you can check 1 and 3 separately or 1 3 plus 4 or 1 2 3 4 like that we can check it. So just a little bit observation will make the problem very easy. Shall I go ahead with the next question? Note down the third one. All desks are pillars, some pillars are towns, all towns are benches, some benches are cars. So if you see that all are properly aligned, right? Next one, conclusion, some cars are towns, some benches are desks, some benches are pillars, some cars are pillars. By looking at the conclusion itself, we can conclude that there won't be any complementary pair. Clear? Now see that, give answer as 1 if none follows, 2 only 1 follows, 3 only 2 follows, 4 only 3 follows, 5 only 4 follows. Try it out, we will discuss later. Did you get the answer, You should have got the third one is right here, only 3 follows, because we don't have any complementary pair, all are I statements. So see that already been properly aligned. Take the first one, some cars are towns. Where is cars and where is towns? 3 and 4. But A plus I gives no conclusion. A plus I gives no conclusion. That is the reason I just crossed, right? So it won't follow. Second one, some benches are desks. Where is benches and where is desks? Benches is here, desk is here. So A plus I gives no conclusion. Again plus A, no use at all. No need to move forward. So ruled out. Second one also ruled out. Third one, some benches are pillars. Where is benches and where is pillars? 2 and 3. What is I plus A, I means some pillars are benches or some benches are pillars. Yes, third one directly follows from 2 and 3 statements. Fourth one, some cars are pillars. Where is cars and where is pillars? 2 plus 3 plus 4. But 2 plus 3, I plus A is I, but I plus A gives no conclusion. That is the reason ruled out. That is the reason ruled out. So no need to check for complementary pair because all others are I statements only. So only 3 follows. We need to go ahead with the fourth option. Ma clear? Shall we go ahead with the next question? Ma note down the fourth question ma. All stations are houses, no house is garden, some gardens are rivers, all rivers are ponds. Conclusions: some ponds are gardens, some ponds are stations, some ponds are houses, no pond is a station. Give answer as 1, only 1 follows, 2, 1 and either 2 or 4 follow, 3, only 1 and 2 follow, 4th one, only 1 and 4 follow, 5th one, none of these. So either one, it is here only in the second one, that is 1 and either 2 or 4, others and all and only 3 and 4 not or, these are all and only. Ma clear? So try it out, we will discuss later. Did you get the answer? You should have got 1 and either 2 or 4 ma, that is second option. So shall we check that? See that first of all already been properly aligned, so no need to take any pain, it's already been properly aligned. Come to the conclusions. First one, some ponds are gardens. Where is ponds and where is gardens? Fourth one and also third statement. I plus A is I means some gardens are ponds or some ponds are gardens, because I can only be converted into I from 3 and 4 statements. So first one directly follows. Come to the next one, some ponds are stations. Where is stations and ponds ma? Ponds in the fourth statement, stations in the first statement. All these 4 we need to merge it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We need to check whether we are getting I statement or not. So A plus E, what is A plus E ma? E. E plus I, O star. O star plus A, no conclusion, right? O plus A, any statement you won't be getting any conclusion. Till this one you are getting O star. That means some rivers are not stations being given. Yes, that would be the right answer. But here all these 4 we need to merge it. So A plus E is E, E plus I is O star plus A, no conclusion. So ruled out. Second one won't come into picture. Third one, some ponds are houses. Ponds and houses. 2 plus 3 plus 4. E plus I is O star plus A, no conclusion again. Next one, no pond is station. Pond and station, already we got it as no conclusion. A plus E is E, E plus I O star plus A, no conclusion. Finally, we need to check for complementary pair. So while checking for complementary pair, first one is ruled out because already we got it as true. From 2, 3 and 4, IE pair is a complementary pair. So for I, pond and stations are there. So third one is ruled out. We need to go ahead with the second one, ponds and stations. So IE pair is a complementary pair. Subject and predicate are also same. So which one follows? 1 and either 2 or 4 follows. IE pair and complementary pair. 1 and either 2 or 4 follows. Ma clear? Shall we go ahead with the next question? Ma note down the 5th question ma. Some towers are lanes, some lanes are roads, some roads are rivers, some rivers are jungles. Conclusions: some jungles are roads, some roads are lanes, some jungles are towers, no jungle is road. Give answer as 1 if only 1 follows, 2 only 2 follows, 3 only either 1 or 4 follow, 4th one only 4 follows, 5th one only 2 and either 1 or 4 follow. Ma clear? Very easy one. So by looking at that itself we can tell that based on 6 rules there won't be any conclusion because all are I statements. Anyway, take your time, so we will discuss later. But did you get the answer ma? You should have got second one and also either 1 or 4 follows, that is 5th option. You should have got the answer. Shall we check? So as I told you, it's already been properly aligned, but not necessary. No need to even make proper alignment here. No need to make even proper alignment here because all are I statements. So directly go ahead with conclusions. Some jungles are roads. Ma, where is jungle and where is road? 3 and 4 statements. I plus I gives no conclusion. Ruled out. Come to the next one. Some roads are lanes. If you see that roads are lanes, second statement, what is being given ma? Some lanes are roads. Can be converted into some roads are lanes. I can be converted into I, right? So that is the reason second statement converted into I can be converted into I. So some roads are lanes. Directly follows from the second statement. Clear how we got this one? Third one, some jungles are towers. So jungles, towers. See that one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. All are I statements. I plus I gives no conclusion, plus I, no conclusion directly. So you won't get any conclusion for the third one. Third one won't be right answer. No jungle is road. Where is jungle and where is road? Again 3 plus 4 gives no conclusion ma. So all are I statements. Whenever based on 6 rules, you won't get any conclusion. Only thing, immediate inferences. That too I can be converted into I. That you got it from the second statement, converted into some roads or lanes. That is reason only second one follows. Finally we need to check for complementary pair. If you see that here E statement is there, IA is a complementary pair, jungle and road. So here jungle is there but road is not there, jungle and road. So first one 1 and 4 is a complementary pair, IA is a complementary pair, and 2 follows, that is the reason go ahead with the fifth option. Are you clear? Complementary pair, IA pair, and 2 follows. Go ahead with the fifth option. Shall we go ahead with the next one? Note down the sixth question. All desks are pencils, all pencils are windows, all windows are doors, all doors are walls. Conclusions: some walls are windows, all desks are doors, some doors are desks, some windows are desks. Give answer as 1. All follows. 2. Only 2, 3 and 4 follow. 3. Only 1, 3 and 4 follow. Fourth one, only 1, 2 and 4 follow. Fifth one, none of these. Try it out, we will discuss later. Did you check the answers? Did you get the answer? Which one follows All follows here, all follows. See that what is being given, all are A statements, it's been properly aligned, so that is the reason no need to make proper alignment, it is already been properly aligned. Now check the conclusions. Some walls are windows. I just mentioned this is the first statement, second, third and fourth. How we are getting the answers, that is the reason I have mentioned here. Some walls are windows. Where is walls and windows 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, all windows are walls, or some windows are walls, or some walls are windows. A is implied by I, A can be converted into I. So based on that, first conclusion follows based on 3 and 4 statements. Now see that next one, all desks are doors. Where is doors and where is desks 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3. A plus A is A plus A is A. That means all desks are doors. Can be converted as some doors are desks, some desks are doors, or some doors are desks also. But here directly A statement, all desks are doors. Yes, second one directly follows from 1 plus 2 plus 3. Third one, some doors are desks. From A statement, once you get the answer here, from this itself we can derive I statement. Some doors are desks, or some desks are doors. That is the reason third one also directly follows. Or you can consider again A plus A plus A. You will be getting all desks are doors can be converted into some desks are doors, or some doors are desks. So third one also follows. Fourth one, some windows are desks. Where is windows and desks 1 and 2. So A plus A is A. So all desks are windows, or some desks are windows, or some windows are desks. So fourth one also follows. All follows. I just mentioned how you are getting that. This is from 3 plus 4 statements, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and 1 plus 2. For your convenience I have mentioned, you can check it over later also. Are you clear So now which one follows? All follows. Shall we go ahead with the next question? Note down the 7th question. Some boxes are tablets, some tablets are toys, all toys are jungles, some jungles are trees. Conclusions: some trees are tablets, some tablets are jungles, some jungles are toys, some toys are boxes. Give answer as 1 if none follows, 2 only 1 follows, 3 only 2 follows, 4 only 2 and 3 follow, 5th one only 4 follows. So try it out, we will discuss later. Did you get the answer? You should have got the fourth one, that is only 2 and 3 follow. So we will see that it's already been properly aligned. So previously what we did in 6th question, I think we just mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, same like that I have mentioned, so that more clarity will be there for you how that conclusion comes. So now see that first one, some trees are tablets. It's already been properly aligned, no more explanation required. So some trees are tablets. Where is trees and where is tablets Fourth one and 2. That means 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. I plus A is I, but I plus I gives no conclusion. That is the reason ruled out. Now some tablets are jungles. Where is tablets and where is jungles? 2 and 3. I plus A is I. Some tablets are jungles, or some jungles are tablets. That is the reason I just mentioned 2 plus 3. You will be getting second conclusion based on 2 and 3 statements. Third one, some jungles are toys. where is jungles and toys ma? From third statement directly you are getting the third conclusion, because A can be converted into I, A is directly implied by I. So third one, from third one directly you are getting third conclusion. The last one, some toys are boxes, where is toys and where is boxes? 1 and 2, but I plus I gives no conclusion. No need to check for complementary pair because both are I statements. Only 2 and 3 follows. Now clear? Shall we go ahead with the next question? Ma, note down the 8th question ma. All blades are trains, some trains are rods, all rods are papers, some papers are windows. Conclusions, some windows are blades, some papers are trains, some trains are blades, some papers are blades. Give answer as 1. If only 1 and 2 follow, 2, only 2 and 3 follow, 3, only 3 and 4 follow, 4, only 1 and 3 follow, 5th one, none of this. Try it out, we will discuss later. Ma, did you get the answer? See that it is been already properly aligned. You should have got the second one, that is only 2 and 3 follow. So already properly aligned. I just mentioned as 1, 2, 3, 4 statements numbering been given. See that first one, some windows are blades. Where is windows and where is blade ma? Fourth one and first one, all these we need to merge it. A plus I gives no conclusion, plus A plus I, no need to even move ahead, ruled out. Second one, some papers are trains. Where is trains and where is papers? 2 and 3, right? I plus A is I means some trains are papers or some papers are trains. So go ahead with that one. Second one, by merging 2 and 3 you will be getting the answer, I plus A. Third one, some trains are blades. If you observe carefully trains and blades, from the first statement alone you can get the answer, right? From first statement it is all blades are trains can be converted into some blades are trains or some trains are blades. So third conclusion follows from directly first statement. The last one, some papers are blades. Where is papers and where is blades? First and third. So A plus I gives no conclusion, no need to even move forward, right? One A plus I plus A plus I gives no conclusion, you won't get that one. So finally if you check that 1 and 4 are I statements only, no complementary pair. So only 2 and 3 follow. Go ahead with the second option. Ma, shall we go ahead with the next one? Ma, note down the 9th question ma. All books are cards, some cards are benches, all benches are chairs, some chairs are tables. Conclusions, some chairs are cards, some tables are chairs, some cards are books, some chairs are benches. Give answer as 1. If only 2, 3 and 4 follow, 2, only 1, 2 and 3 follow, 3, only 1, 3 and 4 follow, 4th one, all follow, 5th one, none of this. So try it out, we will discuss. What did you get the answer? For the question number 9, you should have got all follow. Yes ma, you will be getting all follow, all conclusions follows here. We will see that it is been properly aligned. As usual it is been properly aligned here. We are going ahead with conclusions. First one, some chairs are cards. Where is chairs and where is cards ma? 2 and 3. I plus A is I. You will be getting some cards are chairs or some chairs are cards. I can be converted into I. So first one directly follows from 2 and 3 statements. Second one, some tables are chairs. If you observe carefully, some tables are chairs directly from fourth statement. What is the fourth statement ma? Some chairs are tables. I can only be converted into I. So some tables are chairs. So directly follows second conclusion from fourth statement. That is the reason I just mentioned as 4 here. Next one, some cards are books. Where is cards and where is books? First one, right? So all books are cards. So all books are cards can be converted into some books are cards or some cards are books. A is directly implied by I and A can be converted into I. So this one directly follows from first statement. That is the reason I just mentioned first one. And some chairs are benches. Where is chairs and benches? Again from the third statement. All benches are chairs can be converted into some chairs are benches or some benches are chairs. A is directly implied by I and A can be converted into I. From third statement you are getting the fourth conclusion. So all follows here. Go ahead with fourth option. Ma, clear? Little bit focus and be careful so that you can easily get the answer. You can easily get the right answer. Ma, clear? We will go ahead with the next one. Ma, note down the 10th question ma. All dolls are mats, no mat is sofa, some sofas are rooms, all rooms are hills. Conclusions, some hills are dals, some rooms are dals, some rooms are mats, some hills are mats. Give answer as 1 if none follows, 2 only 1 follows, 3 only 2 follows, 4 only 3 follows, 5 only 4 follows. Try it out, we will discuss. But did you get the answer, ma? You should have got none follows. None follows here. See that one, what is being given? It is already been properly aligned. So I just mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4 statements. Statements being numbered for easy purpose, for your reference also. And now see, it is already been properly aligned. First one, some hills are dals. Where are relevant statements, ma? Hills is in the 4th statement and the dals in the 1st statement. All these 4 we need to merge it, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 statements. Subject of the first statement and predicate of the last statement you will be getting in case everything is being properly aligned and everything comes under 6 rules. Now A plus E is E plus I is O star plus A, no conclusion. That is the reason you won't be getting any answer for this one. So this conclusion won't be true. Come to the next one. Some rooms are dolls. Where is rooms and where is dolls, ma? 1 plus 2 plus 3. A plus E is E plus I, O star. O star means O reverse. You will be getting some rooms are not dolls. But it is only I statement. You should have got O statement there. If some rooms are not dolls is there, yes, it is right. But here it is I statement. That is the reason wrong. Ma, are you getting? Next one, some rooms are mats. Where is rooms and mats? 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3. E plus I, O star. What is O star? Some rooms are not mats. But what you are getting, some rooms are mats. If O statement is there, it is right. But here it is I statement. So you will be getting some rooms are not mats, but here some rooms are mats. That is the reason that this one also won't follow. Are you clear? The last one, some hills are mats. Where is hills and where is mat? 2 plus 3 plus 4. So E plus I, O star plus A won't get any conclusion. That is the reason 4th one also won't follow. Finally, we need to check for complementary pairs. No need to check for complementary pairs because all are positive statements. None follows. Many conclusions actually comes from the statements, but it is not actually given in the conclusions. That is the reason we are going ahead with the none follows. Are you clear, ma? So a little bit tricky, but O star and here it is directly given as I statements. Other than that one, we can easily solve the problem. Ma, can we go ahead with the next question? Ma, 11th question, ma. Note it down. All stones are pearls. Some pearls are shells, some shells are boxes, no box is container. Conclusions, some stones are shells, no pearl is container, no shell is container, some pearls are containers. Give answer as 1 if only 2 follows, 2 only 2 and 3 follow, 3 only either 2 or 4 follow, 4th one only 3 follows, 5th one none follows. Try it out, we will discuss. But did you get the answer, ma? You should have got 3rd one, that is only either 2 or 4 follows. Complementary pair only you will be getting. Shall we check the answers? It's already been properly aligned, so no need to make proper alignment. See that first conclusion, some stones are shells. Where is stones and where is shells? 1 and 2, but A plus I gives no conclusion. That is the reason ruled out. 3rd one, if you see here, no shell is container. Where is shell and where is container, ma? 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? I plus E, O statement. What is O statement? Some shells are not containers. But what is here? E statement is there. E statement is there. No shell is container. We should have got some shells are not containers. If E is there, we can convert into O. But O is there, we cannot convert into E. Right? Are you clear, ma? From E statement, we can take O straight, O reverse. But not from O. O cannot be converted. So some shells are not containers. But here it is no shell is container. That is the reason ruled out. Clear? Now, none follows actually. Any complementary pairs are there. If you check, IE pair is a complementary pair. So some pearls are containers, no shell is container, no pearl is container, some stones are shells. 2 and 4, no pearl is container, some pearls are containers. So this one, 2 and 4 is a CP complementary pair, IE pair, right? Another one, no shell is container, and if you take these two, but it is not matching. So container is same, but subject is not matching. Here also, if you take some stones or shells, no pearl is container, no shell is container. So if you take 1 and 3 also, shell is common, but these are all not matching. So only matching is we are having only 2 and 4. IE pair is a complementary pair. So go ahead with that one. So either 2 or 4 follows. Only either 2 or 4 follows. Third one. Ma clear? Shall we go ahead with the next one? Ma note down the 12th question ma. Some schools are colleges. Some colleges are hostels. No hostel is office. All offices are institutes. Conclusions. No hostel is institute. Some hostels are schools. Some hostels are institutes. Some offices are colleges. Answers. Give answer as 1 if only 1 follows. 2 only 2 and 3 follows. 3 only 4 follows. 4 only either 1 or 3 follow. Fifth one none of this. So try it out. We will discuss later. Ma, did you get the answer ma? You should have got the fourth one ma, that is only either 1 or 3 follows. So we will check that one. See that already it is been properly aligned. Already it is been properly aligned. No need to make proper alignment. Now go ahead with the conclusions. First one, no hostel is institute. Where are relevant statements ma? Institute and hostel. So 3 and 4. 3 and 4 means E plus A. What is E plus A? O star. O star means O reverse. O reverse means some institutes are not hostels. But what is here? No hostel is institute. From O we cannot derive E statement. But from E statement we can derive O statement. That is the reason ruled out. First one is ruled out. Come to second one. Some hostels are schools. Where is hostels and where is schools ma? 1 and 2. So that is reason I just mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also previously we did mention only the numbering. Here I have mentioned what comes and why it is not follows. That also I have mentioned in detail. So E plus A O star, but here we got E statement, that is reason cross. And this one hostel and school, if you see that 1 plus 2, both I statements we won't get any conclusion. That is reason ruled out. Now some hostels are institutes. Again 3 plus 4. E plus A is O star. O star means O reverse. Some institutes are not hostels, but it is been given as I statement. From O we cannot derive any other statements. Ruled out. The fourth one, some offices are colleges. 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 means I plus E is O. You will be getting some colleges are not office. Some colleges are not offices, but here it is I statement. That is the reason ruled out. Finally we need to check for complementary pair. So if you see here 3 I statements are there, only 1 E statement. IE is a complementary pair. Hostel and institutes, hostel and institutes. Only 1 and 3. So either 1 or 3 follows. This is a complementary pair, IE pair. So only 1 or 3 follows. Other than that, no other conclusion follows, right? That is the reason we are going ahead with the fourth option. Only either 1 or 3 follows. Ma, clear? Shall we go ahead with the next question? Ma, note down the 13th question ma. Some pins are needles, some threads are needles, all needles are nails, all nails are hammers. Conclusions, some pins are hammers, some threads are nails, some pins are threads, no pin is thread. My answers, give answer as 1 if only 1, 2 and either 3 or 4 follow. 2 only 3 and 4 follow. Third one only 1 and 2 follow. Fourth one all follow. Fifth one none of this. See that first one 1, 2 and either 3 or 4 follow. Ma, right? So try it out. We will discuss. Ma, did you get the answer ma? You should have got the first one ma. Yes, only 1, 2 and either 3 or 4. That should be the answer. Shall we go ahead in detail? See here, some pins are needles, some threads are needles, all needles are nails, all nails are hammers. Previously also we did same sort of a question. Both A statements common term as predicate. No need to make it proper alignment. Keep it as it is, like that I told, right? When third statement is being given that common term related, that is here see that which is the common term, needles, both are predicates, but third one as a subject. So same sort of a question we did, right, previously. So what we can do, you need to be careful whenever it is being given pin and nails, I plus I gives no conclusion. That is the reason we should not go ahead like that. You should not do that one. You need to check 1 and 3 separately, 1 and 3 separately. Then 2 and 3 separately also you can check. 2 and 3. But if you check 1 and 3 separately, you will be getting some pins or nails. If you check 2 and 3 separately, you will be getting some threads or nails. Are you clear, ma? So you must be very careful these type of problems. That one, if you take care, yes, you won't commit any mistake in the examination point of view. Coming to the conclusions, first one, some pins are hammers. Where is pin and where is hammer? If you see that one, hammers are in the fourth statement and pins are in the first statement. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 means 1 plus 2 itself says no conclusion, I plus I. That is the reason you need to be careful. If you do like that, your answer is gone. So you need to be very careful. They are pins and hammers, but we can take 1, 3, 4 separately. 1, 3, 4 separately. So 1 plus 3 plus 4. What is first one? Some pins are needles, then all needles are nails, then all nails are hammers. What is I plus A, ma? I plus A means 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, what you will be getting? Some pins are nails. Some pins are nails. Then again plus A. So some pins are nails, all nails are hammers. You will be getting some pins are hammers. Are you clear, ma? So you must be very, very careful here. If you take directly 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, gone. You won't be getting the conclusion. But you need to be very careful. Why? Because predicate of the first statement and subject of the third, both are same. So you just eliminate the second one. You just eliminate the second one. We need to consider 1 plus 3 plus 4. I plus A is I plus A is I. Subject of the first statement as the subject, predicate of the last statement as the predicate. Some pins are hammers. Yes, right answer. Are you clear? Even if it is been given some hammers are pins, that also right answer, because I can be converted into I. Next one, some threads are nails. Where is threads and where is nails, ma? 2 plus 3. So that is the reason I just mentioned 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3, ma? I plus A. I plus A means I, some threads are nails. Right answer only. Second one also follows. Next one, some pins are threads. Where is pins and where is threads? 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2 means I plus I, no conclusion. Ruled out. Again, no pin is thread. Pin and thread 1 plus 2 only. I plus I gives no conclusion. Ruled out. Finally, we need to check for complementary pair. While checking for complementary pair, 1 and 2 conclusions already you got it as true. We need to keep aside both of them and we need to check complementary pair between 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 is a complementary pair. Yes, of course, because I and E is a complementary pair. So subject and predicate are also same. So here 1, 2 follows and also either 3 or 4. That is the reason we are going ahead with the first option. But these type of problems, a little bit care has to be taken. Why? Because while merging you need to be careful. Common term as predicate is there. So no need to convert this one. Anyway, even if you convert or not, I plus I gives no conclusion. Since that whatever the common term is being mentioned as the subject of the third statement, you need to be careful. We need to merge 1 and 3 separately if required and 2 and 3 separately if required. Here the typical one, 1 plus 3 plus 4 only, you will be getting the answer. I hope it is clear, and go through once again these type of problems so that you should not get any confusion in the examination point of view. Shall we go ahead with the next question, ma? Note down the 14th question, ma. Some chairs are rooms, no room is sofa. All sofa are tables, some tables are desks. Conclusions, some sofas are desks, no room is table, some chairs are tables, no desk is a room. Answers, give answer as 1, if none follows, 2, only 1 follows, 3, either 2 or 3 follows. 2 or 3 means either 2 or 3 follows, 4, 3 and 4 follow. Not R, 3 and 4 follow. Fifth one, all follow. Try it out, we will discuss later. Ma, did you get the answer, ma? You should have got the first one, that is none follows. We do have many conclusions actually. If you see that I plus E is O, E plus A is O star. So those things and all not being reflected here. That is the reason we are going ahead with none of this. None follows, not none of this, it's none follows. That means not even a complementary pair also not there. So see here, it's already been properly aligned. We are not taking much pain here. So I just mentioned as it is 1, 2, 3, 4 statement numbering of statements. First one is some sofas are desks. Where are desks, ma? Desks are in fourth statement, sofas is in the third statement. So A plus I gives no conclusion. Though it is been properly aligned, A plus I gives no conclusion. So 3 plus 4, I just mentioned on the top of that A plus I, which gives no conclusion. That is reason ruled out. Second one, no room is stable. So 2 plus 3, E plus A is O star ma. 2 plus 3 plus A is O star. O star means O reverse. You should have got some tables are not rooms. Some tables are not rooms. From O statement we cannot convert any other statements, right? That is reason ruled out. From E statement we can get E reverse, O straight and O reverse, not from O statement. So ruled out. So E plus A is O star. Here E statement is a ruled out. Some chairs are tables. Chairs and tables 1 plus 2 plus 3. So I plus E is O. O plus A gives no conclusion. So that is reason I plus E is O plus A no conclusion. So ruled out. I just put a cross mark. 1 plus 2 plus 3 also I mentioned for your reference. So that also not follows. And finally no desk is room. Desk and room. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. E plus A is O star plus I. Ruled out. So that is reason I just put a cross mark. I mentioned that 2 plus 3 plus 4 also for your reference. And finally we need to check for complementary pair. IE pair is a complementary pair, but nowhere subject and predicate are same. So if you see here, no desk is room. Desk is there, but a room is not been given. Here no room is table. So table is there, but a chairs is not there. So nowhere it is been matching. It's not at all a complementary pair. So none follows. That is the reason we are going ahead with the first option. Clear? Shall we go ahead with the last one in 4 statements and 4 conclusions? 15th one. Note down the last and the final question in 4 statements, 4 conclusions. Some rings are chains, all chains are bangles, all bracelets are pendants, some bangles are pendants. Conclusions: some rings are bangles, some chains are pendants, some bracelets are rings, no pendant is a ring. Answers: give answer as 1 if none follows, 2 only 1 follows, 3 2 and 3 follow, 4th one only 4 follows, 5th one none of these. None of these also there, so you need to be careful. If none follows, all these 4 we need, and no complementary pair is there, we need to go ahead with none follows. But answer is there, but not been given in these options, we need to go ahead with none of these. That is the difference between none follows and none of these. Clear the difference? So try it out, we will discuss later. Did you get the answer, ma? Not an easy one, in fact, not an easy one. So you should have got only 1 follows ma here, only 1 follows. So I will explain in detail. So do observe, if you got the answer, yes, very happy. And if you didn't, no issues, because it's not an easy one. So it's been given. Properly aligned means no need to convert or no need to make proper alignment. Why? Because both A statements common term as predicate, we need to leave it as it is. Previously also we solved the problem. So this type of problems we solved, right? Now see that some rings are chains, all chains are bangles, all bracelets are bangles, and some bangles are pendants. So you can match 2 and 4 separately, but A plus I gives no conclusion only, and 3 and 4 separately because common term. So 2 and 4 and 3 and 4, not 2 and 3. 2 and 3 there is no common term, only common term as predicate only. You will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules whenever both A statements are there or A and I combinations are there, right? We solved many of the problems. Now it's been properly aligned. I just mentioned 1 2 3 4. See that first one, some rings are bangles. Where is rings and where is bangles? 1 and 2 ma. I plus A is I, so some rings are bangles, some bangles are rings. First one directly follows from 1 and 2 statements. From 1 and 2 statements. Come to the next one, some chains are pendants. Where is chain and where is pendant, mom? So if you see that one, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, right? All chains are bangles, some bangles are pendants. Though it is been properly aligned, A plus I gives no conclusion. So 2 plus 4, A plus I gives no conclusion. Come to the next one, some bracelets are rings. This is where a tricky conclusion, in fact, based on the given statements. Some bracelets are rings means 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you see 1 plus 2 plus 3, you will say I plus A is I and I plus A is I. So some rings are bracelets like that. You may think it may follow, but not as such. Why? Because second and third statements, so both A statements common term as predicate. That one you need to keep in mind. Now 1 and 2, what is the answer? So I plus A is I means some rings are bangles. I just written 1 plus 2 is some rings are bangles. The third one, what is being given, ma? All bracelets are bangles. All bracelets are bangles. If you remember, both A statements are A and I combinations. Common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. Why? Because if you convert A into I plus I gives no conclusion. Or if you convert I into I and put it below A plus I gives no conclusion. Are you clear, ma? So A and I combinations or I and A combinations, you will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. If common term as predicate, many problems we solved, based on which you won't be getting answer for some bracelets or rings. Are you clear? This one is I plus A, but be careful here, we haven't properly aligned. We just kept as it is, both A statements common term as predicate. Here I plus A is I, but again I plus A. If you see here, I plus A is I, again then A, but I plus A with the common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. That is reason third one won't follow. A tricky one, be careful. Whenever both A statements common term as predicate, combinations of these type of statements are being given. And next one, no pendant is ring. Where you will be getting pendant and a ring, but if you see that one, 1, 2 and 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4, I plus A plus I plus A is I plus I gives no conclusion. I plus A is I plus I gives no conclusion. Not it 1, 2, 3 and 4, it is 1, 2 and 4. You will be getting this one, but you won't be getting any conclusion. Finally, checking for complementary pair, IA pair. So IE pair is a complementary pair, IE pair, but nowhere subject and predicate are same. Here ring is there, another where in this statement pendants are there, but not in the same statements. So that is reason no complementary pair is there. Only one follows. Go ahead with second one. Are you clear? So be careful whenever both A statements and A and I statements are there, common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. And both A statements and A and I statements common term as subject, we do have a conclusion. Hope you are very clear with all these problems in syllogisms. And moving forward, yes, we are going ahead with possibility cases and also only a few cases, and the latest pattern questions are also, some of them are there. We will discuss those things. You just revise all these things, so we will discuss other questions in the next session.